Hi everyone, we're here doing a refresh on some shutters and garage doors that faded. We're going to be washing and then spraying the top coat to give it a nice, bright, and durable finish. Black tip, which is soap tip. These lighter colored tips are lower pressure regular tips. And then today we're going to be using the turbo tip because these items can be hit hard. So that's the one you'll see Billy using.
This garage door, I'm gonna use 310 tip, and we're gonna do a light dust first, and then we're gonna do a second coat and really get it on there. When I was spraying, we got a clog and it got a tail, so just gonna brush it out, make it nice and smooth.